Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to play the really fun song Head, Shoulders, Knees, and Toes. Now you might remember this song back from your preschool days where we did the hand motions head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. If you'd like the words so you can sing along as you play, head over to my website pianosongdownload.com and print out the free sheet music. There's a link in the video description down below. To start out, place your right hand thumb on D, the pointer finger on E, middle finger on F, ring finger on G, and pinky on A. Your left hand thumb goes on middle C, pointer finger on B, middle finger on A, ring finger on G, and pinky on F. When you see a darker blue bar, that means it's a flat, so move your finger down a half step to play the black key. All set? Let's do it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe for future videos. See you next time.